Imagine you trying to enjoy a peaceful shower or get ready for the day, and suddenly, you spot a line of ants marching across your bathroom floor. It's an annoying scene, right? But don't worry, getting rid of these tiny invaders is easier than you think. We are bighomeprojects.com, and we help connect homeowners with trusted contractors and help provide work opportunities for contractors. Here's a laid-back guide to kicking ants out of your bathroom for good. Number 1. Start by hunting down where those pesky ants are sneaking in. Check around pipes, behind the toilet, and even those tiny gaps in the window frames. Once you find their sneaky entryways, grab some caulk or steel wool and seal them up tight. It's like putting up a no-entry sign for ants. Number 2. Give your bathroom a thorough cleanup. Ants love moisture and residue, so scrub those sinks and bathtubs until they shine. Dry everything off because ants just love damp spots. Use a fan to keep the air moving and make your bathroom less inviting for them. Number 3. Go natural with repellents like vinegar or essential oils. Mix equal parts vinegar and water, then spray it along ant trails. Or try peppermint or tea tree oil mixed with water. Ants hate it. A sprinkle of cinnamon near entry points works wonders too. Number 4. If the natural stuff isn't cutting it, maybe it's time to bring in some chemical reinforcements. Whip up a homemade bait with borax and sugar. Ants take this back to their colony and share it around. Or grab a commercial insecticide spray or gel designed for ants. Just follow the safety instructions carefully. Number 5. Prevention is key, my friend. Keep up with regular cleaning, fix any leaks, and store toiletries in sealed containers to avoid luring ants back in. This way, your bathroom stays fresh and ant-free. And hey, if you need extra help or just want to make sure the job's done right, head over to bighomeprojects.com. You'll find local experts who know how to tackle ant invasions, and it's super easy to connect with them. Whether you're dealing with ants now or just want to be prepared, we've got the resources to help you out.